Good morning, student. In the last class, we are seeing the chapter differential equation, and we are solving the questions of board examination of this chapter. We have seen some questions based on all the types like variable or separable, homogeneous method, and linear differential equation method. Now today again we see some questions based on these topics. Okay, let's see. The first question is solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 2 cos x, and it is given that y is equal to 0 and x is equal to when x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, student. So this is our question. Let's find the particular solution of this question. Dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 2 cos x, given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, student. So first of all, what we will do, we will check which type of differential equation is this. So student, we are seeing that this is clearly seen to us. This is of type py is equal to q. It means that this is linear differential equation. Okay, so we compare this equation with this dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to cot x and q is equal to 2 cos x. Okay, students. So we understand that this is our linear differential equation. So we compare this equation with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now, student, we find out its integrating factor. The method of solving linear differential equation method is find out the integrating factor. Okay, so this is our e to the power p dx. This is the formula of find out. So p is cot x dx, and the integration of cot x is log of sin x. Okay, student. So we write e to the power log of sin x, and its value will be, this will be what, equal to sin x. Okay, now this solution of differential equation is what, y into integrating factor which is sin x, and integration of 2 cos x which is q, and sin x which is our integrating factor, and dx plus c. So this will be our general solution. Okay, students. So we integrate this. What we write? This is our sin 2x plus c. So sin 2x integration of this is cos 2x by 2. This is minus sin c, and y sin x. Now this is our general solution, student. Now we put here our x is pi by 2 and y is 0. So y is 0 and sin, this is pi by 2, and cos x is pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 plus c. Okay, so this term is 0, and cos pi, which is minus 1, so it will be 1 by 2. Okay, student. So this is cos pi, which is minus 1 by 2 plus c, and this is plus. So c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we put the value of c here. Y sin x is minus cos 2x by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so our y is y sin x is minus cos 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay student, so this is our solution. Okay, I hope you understand student. This is the method of linear differential equation method. Okay, so first we have taken p and q and find out the integrating factor. Okay student, this integrating factor you can also write that IF. Okay, so IF is this e to the power p dx, and this is our sin x is our integrating factor. Now this is the formula. Y IF is integration of q into IF plus c, and putting the value of q and IF in this equation we get, and integrating, and we get our result. Okay, I hope you understand students. Now we see next question. So next question is, find the particular solution satisfying the given condition for the following differential equation dy by dx. Minus y by x plus cosec y by x is equal to 0, where y is 0 and x is 1. Okay student, so this is our differential equation. We have to find the particular solution of this differential equation. So we can write this differential equation in the form of like this. Okay student, so now we are seeing that after putting y is lambda y and x is lambda x, we are saying that its degree is 0. Okay, so we can say that this is our linear differential equation. This is our homogeneous differential equation. So we let y is equal to bx. So dy by dx is what? b plus x dv by dx we put here. So b plus x dv by dx is bx by x minus cosec bx by x. So x dv by dx is b minus cosec b, because these both term will be reduced student. Okay, now here is b plus this b and b will cancel. So student dv, so dv, and this is 1 by cosec b, and this is dx, and 1 by x with negative sign. Okay, now we can write this sin b dv, and this is 1 by x dx. Now integrating both sides, we get this is minus cos b, and this is minus log of x plus log c. Okay student, and this term will be cancelled. We can write this is c, and this negative and negative sign will reduce. So cos b is equal to log x plus c. Now we have given that y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, now we put the value of x and y and get the value of c, and then put it. Okay student, so here is cos y by x is equal to log of Okay, let's see. Now put y is 0, x is 1, and log x is 1, which is c. So log 1, this is 1. So c is 1. So cos pi by x is log mod x plus 1. So cos y by x is equal to log mod x plus 1. So this will be our particular solution of the differential equation. Look at once again. This is our differential equation. We have changed in this form, and we know this is our homogeneous differential equation. So we y is equal to dx we put and differentiate this. Now we put the value of dy by dx at the place of this here. Now we are seeing that the x is cancelled. Now b is cancelled, and send take the b with cosec b and x with dx, and integrating it we are getting minus cos b, and this is minus log x plus c. Okay, now this minus and minus will reduce, and this cos y by x is log mod x plus c. Okay student, now put the value of y and x, which is 0 and 1. We get c is 1. Now put this value here and we get our particular solution. Okay student, now we take another question and solve it. Let another question. Our next question is find the particular solution of the differential equation satisfying the given condition. Okay. So x square dy plus xy plus y square dx is equal to 0. Y is 1 and x is 1. Okay, so this is our differential equation student. We have to find out the solution of this differential equation. So student, first we write our dy and x square, this is y common x plus y, and dx is 0. Now send this to the right hand side. X square dy is minus y x plus y dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus y x plus y x square. Now students, we are saying that if we are putting lambda x and lambda y, we are saying that our degree of lambda is 0 from here we are seeing. So this is our homogeneous differential equation, and we for solving a homogeneous differential equation we use always what? Let y is equal to dx, and dy by dx is b plus x dy by dx. So b plus x dv by dx is minus bx by this is x square. So from here bx square 1 plus b by x square, this is cancelled, so b plus x dv by dx. Okay student, so minus b square and x dv by dx. Now x dv by dx is minus b square. We write this, so this is minus 2b minus b square x dv by dx. Okay student, from here we will take now the b and b square with dv and x and dx with dx. Okay student, so let what we write, 1 by b square plus 2b is dx with 1 by x with negative sign. Okay, now student, this is our b square plus db, 2b plus b. Now we integrate this, and for this we will make this first b square plus 2b plus 1 minus 1. This is equal to minus log of x. Okay student, so this we can write minus log of x, and here this is what, b plus 1 whole square minus 1. Okay, so this we can write b plus 1 whole square minus 1 square, and this is, we can write log c also, and minus log x plus log of c, and this is x square or minus 1 square. So this is log x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, under modulus we can write, student. Okay, so now the remaining term is, we are getting remaining term is minus log x plus log c, and this term is cancelled. What we are getting, now again we are solving it. We are getting 1 by 2 log b by b plus 2, and this is, send this 2 to the right hand side, minus 2 log x plus 2 log c, and getting what, log b plus 2 and plus 2 log x, which is 2 log c. Okay student, now this is our log b plus b by 2. Okay, now what we write, this is log m plus log n, so we write log of b plus b by 2 into x square, and this is log of c square, which is taking another constant k, and this log and log will cancel, we get modulus, and now put the value of b, which is y by x. So y by x y by x plus 2 into x square by log is equal to log is cancelled. So this is our equal to k student, okay, y by x into x square by y by x plus 2 which is equal to k. Now we put from here we put our x, value of x and y, and find the value of k, okay. So k will be what? 1 by 3, okay student. Now like I put here x is equal to, I will solve it. So this is y by x square by y plus 2x by x which is equal to k. So x is x reduced and y x square is k, y plus 2x. Now put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, right hand side is 1 and left hand side is 1. This is 2 and k is equal to 1 by 3. Now we put the value of here k, we get y x square is 1 by 3 y plus 2 x, okay student. So y x square is 1 by 3 y plus 2 x, okay. So this will be our required solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again. This is very important question based on homogeneous method of differential equation. Let's see. This is the question: x square dy plus xy plus y square dx is equal to 0 when y is 1 and x is equal to 1. Okay. So x square dy plus y, taking common, x plus y dx is 0. Now x square dy is minus y x plus y dx. Now dy by dx is minus y x plus y by x square. And you know, when we are checking after putting and replacing x with lambda x, y and lambda y, we get the degree of lambda 0. But in this question we have not to prove that this is homogeneous, just we have to find out the solution of differential equation. Then we'll check roughly and then we solve it, okay. So we have checked it, this is homogeneous differential equation. Now we put y is equal to bx, so dy by dx is b plus x dv by dx, okay. Now put here, so we get minus bx x plus dv by x square. So b plus x dv by dx is minus b, take x outside, 1 plus b by x square, this is cancelled. Now send this b to the right hand side here, okay. So we get what? Minus 2b minus b square, taking minus outside and send this to the left hand side and this to the right hand side and then integrating, okay. Now this will be changing minus log x plus log c, okay. But this part, for integrating this part, we will add 1, subtract 1, and this will be b plus 1 whole square minus 1 square. So this is integration of 1 by x square minus a square. So this is 1 by 2a, a is 1, so log x minus 1 upon x plus 1, 1 by 2a log x minus 1 by x plus a, okay. So it will be cancelled. Now send this 2 to the right hand side, we are getting log b by b plus 2 and this is, okay. Now take this to the left hand side, here we are getting 2 log x, log c. Now this will be log x square, so log m plus log n is log m into n, and here this is log c square. So c square we can write what? Take constant k, and this log and log will reduce from here. Now put the value of b, which is y by x, okay. And this is our x square. Now take the LCM here, this will cancel. Yx square is k, y plus 2x. Now we have given in the question x is 1, y is 1. So put x is 1, y is 1, get k is equal to 1 by 3. Now put the value of k here, we get our required result. Okay student, I hope you understand this question. This was also a very important question. Now we take another question and solve it. Let's see. Next question is x dy minus y plus 2x square dx is equal to 0. Okay student, this is our differential equation and we have to find the solution of this differential equation. Okay, so first what we will write, we will send this to the right hand side. Okay, so x dy is y plus 2x square dx. Now we write x dy dx is y plus 2x square. Okay, divide this whole term with x, so we write y by x is 2x. Take this to the left hand side and this is minus 1 by x y, which is equal to 2x. Okay student, now compare this. Our p is minus 1 by x and q is 2x. Okay, our p is minus 1 by x and q is 2x. Now find out the integrating factor, which is e to the power p dx, and p is 1 minus 1 by x dx. So this is e to the power minus log of x. So we can write e to the power log 1 by x, which is 1 by x. So integrating factor is 1 by x. So student, we can write y into integrating factor, which is right hand side q into integrating factor plus dx plus c. This is our general solution of differential equation. Y integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. This is cancel student. So this is 2x plus c. So y is 1 by x. Okay student, so y into 1 by x is equal to 2x plus c. Okay, now send this x to the right hand side. So we write 2x square plus cx, and this will be our general solution of this differential equation. I hope you understand students. Okay, so let's see once again what we have done in this question. The question was given to us that x dy minus y plus 2x square dx is equal to 0, and we have to find out the solution of this differential equation. So first we will check which type of differential equation is this. So we have sent this to the right hand side. Take dy by dx and then divide with x. Okay, so when we divide with x, we are seeing student, and taking this to the left hand side, dy by dx minus 1 by x, y is equal to 2x. We are comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. We are saying that P is minus x, minus 1 by x, and Q is 2x. So this we are getting, after comparing, we are getting that this differential equation is our linear differential equation. So for find out the solution of linear differential equation, you know, first we find out the integrating factor. So our integrating factor is e to the power integration of P dx. Okay, student. So e to the power minus 1 by x dx. Now this is equal to e to the power minus log x, which this is because 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x, and negative signs are there, so we can change this in the form of 1 by x. So we are getting our integrating factor is 1 by x, and now the general solution of this differential equation is y into 1 by x, which is integration of 2x, which is q, and negative factor, and plus c. Okay, now this cancel, we are getting 2x plus c, and y is equal to what? 2x square plus cx. This is our general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understand, students. Now we see some other question in the next class. Thank you so much.